Hey, Hayden Dingman from PC World here, and I'm here with Adam Patrick Murray. We just saw the Atari VCS, and you might be thinking, Hayden, why did you go see a computer that is 40-something years old?
Hayden, why'd you go see that?
We didn't. We saw the new VCS, as they're calling it, which used to be known as the Atari Box. You might have seen some renders last year, and then pretty much nothing else. And
So this just emulates old games, right?
Yeah, I don't really know. Here's the thing. I don't know much about the Atari VCS still. We took a meeting, we saw a box, it lights up, but it was just a prototype. We do know that it'll eventually be on a AMD Bristol Ridge A10 APU, so that's like a $90 APU in there. It's definitely not going to be running Crysis, probably.
We saw a couple controllers.
We did see a controller prototype. We also saw a joystick that is not quite a prototype, a little bit closer to final design. I don't know, it is all sort of a mess. I still feel very confused. They are saying that they're aiming for a more mass market audience than Steam did with Steam machines, but these are still Linux-based machines. They're not Android, so there's not like a huge market of games for it. It just
How much
seems
will
like
it cost?
No, we don't know.
When will it come out?
We don't know.
What games will it play?
I don't know. They said they are going to maybe port some older Atari titles over, and maybe some of their newer Atari titles, but it just is a very strange proposition. They seem to really be banking on people's nostalgia for the VCS. But then they say after that they want to attract a younger crowd, and I don't know, it just seems sort of all over the map. There's supposed to be more news in April, so hopefully we'll actually get some specs or a price. I think they hinted we might get a pre-order date in April.
The design was cool.
Yeah, design is amazing. It looks beautiful. The controller design looks fine. The joystick looks like an old Atari joystick. That side of it, all totally fine. It's the internals and the price and all that I have no idea what they're doing. So, yeah, we'll see. We'll keep you updated. Maybe we'll see this at E3, God willing. I don't know.